Eastern Kentucky woman has given up her fight to get rights to a child her estranged wife gave birth to. We first told you about Jodi Ellington's legal battle last September. Anjanette Levy is here now with why she's made the decision. Anjanette.
Cammie, this child was conceived through artificial insemination, so Jodi Ellington didn't have a biological connection to him. She and her wife are divorcing, so she asked for parental rights to this child. Tonight we spoke with Ellington's attorney about why she's giving up the fight.
She hasn't seen the baby. The baby's been born for a few months, and the way that things have been going, it's just in the child's best interest. That's what she believes.
Attorney Josh Langdon says that's part of the reason Jodi Ellington is giving up her fight to get parental rights. Ellington and Sarah Reinzan were married when the now 3-month-old baby boy was conceived. A hearing was supposed to be held in October.
Today we're here on 17 CI 945, Reinzman versus Reinzman.
Reinzan's attorney laid out part of her argument about why Ellington should not have rights. She cited Kentucky's statutes on paternity, which discuss only the father.
They do state that a child born during the marriage is presumed to be a child of the husband, but we do not have that situation here.
Langdon argued the statute was unconstitutional, citing the landmark Supreme Court case Obergefell v. Hodges, which legalized same-sex marriage and gave same-sex couples the same rights as heterosexual couples.
We're in a situation right now where we have state laws that are unconstitutional that have not been rewritten. And so all of our laws in Kentucky say husband and wife rather than wife and wife.
My job is to apply the law and follow the law, not change the law or make the law, okay?
The hearing was ultimately delayed after Reinzan tried to have Local 12's cameras barred from the hearing. A second hearing was scheduled for later in October, but Judge Gentry delayed it again and didn't reschedule it until this month. Langdon felt time was of the essence and says the waiting became too much to bear for Ellington.
We didn't know that at the beginning, right? We thought that justice would prevail. We had a hearing date scheduled before the birth of the baby to resolve this. The judge kicked that out until months after the birth. So I think she felt defeated. I don't think she trusted the system very much. And unfortunately now we have a child that's going to be one parent less.
Ellington's attorney had also filed a case in federal court arguing that the Kentucky statutes on parentage were unconstitutional. The state of Kentucky was threatening to go after Ellington for attorney's fees, so she has dropped that case as well. Cammie.
All right, Anjanette, thank you. Judge Gentry has not approved the agreement Ellington and Reinzan reached about the issue, but Langdon said it would be unusual for her not to do so.